Hi, hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Let's see our final topic, taper, in this session. Let's move into our topic, taper. Objectives of this topic is: at the end of this topic you shall be able to define a taper, state the uses of tapers, state the method of expressing tapers, state the methods to be adopted while specifying tapers, define standard tapers taper, define taper calculations Morse taper. Let's see about taper. Taper is a gradual increase or decrease in the dimension along its length of the job. Let's see about the uses of taper. Tapers are used for self-alignment, location of components in an assembly, assembling and dismantling parts easily, transmitting drive through assembly. Tapers have a variety of applications in engineering assembly work. Method of expressing tapers: degree of arc, gradient. The method adopted for expressing tapers depends on the steepness of the tapers. The method adopted for measuring. Let's see about standard tapers. Tapers for tool holding. Two types of tapers are used for tool holding on machines: self-holding tapers, self-releasing tapers. Let's see about self-holding tapers. Self-holding tapers have less taper angle. These are used for holding and driving cutting tools like drills, reamers, etc. without any locking device. The standard tapers used for this are the metric taper and the Morse taper. Metric taper: the taper on diameter is 1:20. The commonly used shank sizes in metric tapers are metric 4, 6, 80, 100, 120, 160 and 200. The shank size indicating the metric taper is the diameter at D in the figure. Let's see about Morse taper. The commonly used taper shank sizes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The taper is varying according to the size of the Morse taper. It varies from 1:19.002 to 1:20.047. Self-releasing 7x24 taper. Spindle noses and arbors used on milling machines are usually provided with self-releasing tapers. The standard self-releasing taper is 7x24. This is a steep taper which helps in the correct location and release of the components in the assembly. This taper does not drive the mating component in the assembly. For the purpose of driving, additional features are provided. The commonly used 7x24 taper sizes are 30, 40, 45, 50 and 60. The taper of a 7x24 taper of number 30 will have a maximum diameter of 31.75 mm and number 60 is 107.950 mm. All other sizes fall within this range. Let's see about tapers used in other assembly work. A variety of tapers are used in engineering assembly work. The most common ones are pin taper, key and keyway taper. Let's see about pin taper. This is the taper used for taper pins used in assembly. The taper is 1:50. The diameter of taper pins is specified by the small diameter. Taper pins help in assembling and dismantling of components without disturbing the location. Let's see about key and keyway tapers. This taper is 1:100. This taper is used on keys and keyways. Let's test our knowledge gained from topic we came across till now. The standard Morse taper is used and comes under which category? Option A: self-holding tapers. Option B: self-releasing tapers. Option C: pin taper. Option D: keyway tapers. Your time starts now. I think you are right. The correct answer is Option A: Self-holding tapers. I think you have gained a plenty of knowledge from today's topic. In this week we have totally covered general turning operations, tool post, knurling, and taper. Thank you. For queries, visit www.nemelearningonline.in/Moodle. Thank you.